What's up, Skywatchers? What is up indeed? Monday, March 16th, 2026. Geoengineering and weather chaos. We have ionospheric heating campaigns, high-power microwave beams, and electromagnetic pulses during these winter storms across the United States and into Hawaii. All right, let's get right into it. In mid-March of 2026, another event unfolded across our atmosphere. Between March 13th and March 17th, the skies over North America and the Pacific began moving in extremes, not in one place but across the entire hemisphere. In Hawaii, a powerful Kona Low stalled west of the islands. Moisture wrapped around the system for days, dumping more than 20 inches of rain across parts of Maui, with totals approaching 40 inches in some areas. Floodwaters rose, landslides closed roads, and more than 100,000 people lost power as winds roared across the volcanic slopes. At the same time, high above the Big Island summits, winds exceeded 100 miles an hour, creating blizzard conditions above the clouds. But thousands of miles away, the atmosphere was doing something equally dramatic. Across the northern United States and Great Lakes, a massive winter storm complex exploded into a blizzard. Wisconsin recorded more than 30 inches of snow. Flights were grounded nationwide, and hundreds of thousands of people lost power as the storm spread across nearly 200 million people. And while snow buried the north, a powerful heat dome parked itself over the southwest. Temperatures in places like Phoenix and Los Angeles surged toward the triple digits, summer heat arriving weeks before spring had even begun. Blizzard, flood, heat extreme, all unfolding at the same time across the same atmospheric system. And when the radar loops from those days are examined closely, something else begins to appear in the data. Pulses, beams, and patterns that ripple through storms themselves. Sometimes the most revealing part of a storm isn't just the damage it leaves behind, it's the patterns hidden inside the sky. We see cloud seeding operations, particulate loading in the troposphere, and electromagnetic fingerprints all over these weather events. We also know ionospheric heating campaigns have been happening throughout February and March across Scandinavia, pumping millions of watts of energy into the upper atmosphere, influencing jet stream patterns. The European Scientific Scatter Association, ISCAT, operates much like the HARP facility in Alaska. Now, when it comes to these pulses and beams we see on the radar, we always see floods, tornadoes, earthquakes, landslides, and even heavy snow. The aerosol particulate loading from aircraft that we see leaving long trails over our heads works alongside of NEXRAD, pulsing and energizing the heavy metal nanoparticulates. Add cloud seeding into the mix, we now have monster storms. The atmosphere is a complex system driven by energy and moisture. Particles influence how that system behaves. They have created a technosphere interacting with the atmosphere. Small inputs can produce large outcomes. I'd like to thank S. Sparrow. This month is basically a fundraising month. If you value the work, the updates, and the mini documentaries, consider supporting the channel. Much love and many thanks. Okay, Skywatchers, stay aware, be prepared, and until next time, keep looking up.